So first, I just want to touch again about why you want to run for governor now and why you wanted to get into this race.
Well, look, I think that the reason that we got into this race was clearly articulated in October when we put out that announcement video. And I think that that's an important point. I mean, look, I am giving up a job that I absolutely love. It's one of the greatest jobs that people in Louisiana have ever given me. We have done some great things for them. We have stood beside them, in front of them, behind them, but more importantly, for them. We've stood up for them, their families, their children, our culture, our state for the last 8 years. But I, too, like many Louisianians, have had enough. Like, at a time when, and I'd been saying this before, but Bloomberg just came out with a report that said $100 billion of individual wealth has been transferred from blue states to the South. Those are people that are moving their livelihoods, their wealth, and they're looking for states where freedom goes to live and not die. And Louisiana's not attracting them. And there's a reason why. And that's disappointing for me. And so those are one of the many driving factors that led us to announcing in October. And more importantly, when I announced, I didn't say that I was running. I said that we were running because I truly believe that if Louisiana wants to get itself off the bottom, it's not just the governor, but it's he or she has to have the people with them.
All right. Well, Mr. Landry, would you like to just take a few more minutes to tell folks why they should vote for you?
Yeah, look, I think that this election is a very pivotal time for this state. It's a time under which Louisiana consistently now has sat at the bottom of all the good lists and the top of all the bad lists. We've gone through all the metrics, education, crime, and whatnot. If you're looking for someone to bring some structural change, things that other states have done that have allowed them to now beat us out, allowed them to capture our children, then guess what? I would tell them to vote for me. I mean, over the last 8 years, I've served as their Attorney General. They have seen me in action. Everything about me has been on display in a way that we've stood up for the people of this state. And we look forward to leading them and working with them to make sure that this state has a government as good as them.
All right. Thank you so much, Mr. Landry. Appreciate it.
Thank you.